In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import bank transactions into QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner or managing your personal finances, keeping track of your transactions is essential. QuickBooks makes it convenient and efficient, and by the end of this guide, you'll feel much more comfortable managing your finances in QuickBooks Online. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head to the QuickBooks Online homepage. Once there, look for the option to sign in. If you already have an account, click on the Sign In button to begin the process. Next, you'll need to select QuickBooks Online from the options that appear. This will ensure that you're directed to the appropriate platform for importing your bank transactions. After choosing QuickBooks Online, it's time to enter your credentials. Carefully type in your username and password. Make sure everything is correct, then hit Continue. This will log you into your QuickBooks account. Once you're in, navigate to the Transactions menu. You'll find this option on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu, and from there select Bank Transactions. This is where you'll import your bank statement data. Now identify the specific bank account where you'd like to upload the transactions. You should see a list of accounts already linked to your QuickBooks, and from there select the one you're working with. At this point you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Link Account. When you click on it, you'll want to select Upload from File. This is the option that allows you to manually import your transaction data from a file you've previously downloaded, typically a CSV file from your bank's online portal. After you've selected Upload from File, a window will pop up giving you two choices: drag and drop or select files. Whether you prefer to drag the file directly from your computer into QuickBooks or click Select Files to browse your computer, choose the downloaded bank statement file you wish to import. Once the file is uploaded, go ahead and click Continue. This will prompt QuickBooks to read the file and prepare it for import. From there, you'll have the chance to review the transactions that will be imported. Select the transactions you need, ensuring accuracy before moving forward. After reviewing, you can select Continue, and QuickBooks will lead you through any remaining steps until the process is complete. Follow the prompts, and once you reach the end, all the specified transactions from your file will be successfully imported into QuickBooks Online. And that's it, you've successfully imported your bank transactions into QuickBooks Online, streamlining your bookkeeping process. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to add more transactions and keep your financial records up to date. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.